Okay, my third prop challenge. Third different props I've had on this Ranger 600 since I first converted it. Okay, so I wasn't happy with the second prop challenge, so let's see how this one works out. These are Gemfan 30-35 bullnose 3-blade ABS props. Unfortunately, they're orange rather than green, but you got to take what you can get, right? All right. So let's make sure that we're stabilized here for launch. Get a little elevator. All right. Let's toss it into the wind and see what we have with this set of props. All right, that was 50% throttle on launch in fully stabilized mode. Okay, let's come through here. All right, now we are in gyro mode, wind mitigation mode. Right now I'm about 45% throttle. All right, so let's see what we have. Pretty good pull. Let's see what kind of vertical we have over here. Come back through here and see what kind of vertical we have. Oh, well, it has unlimited vertical. It doesn't go vertical with authority, but it's pretty good. So as long as I have that much power, I'll be happy with it, as long as I get the amount of flight time I want. And I'm shooting for between 6 to 7 minutes of flight time, doing mixed mode flying, leaving 3.6 volts per cell. So still looks like it's pulling it pretty well through the air. The rolls are still pretty good. Looks like about a 1 second roll, you know, 1001, it's rotated. So that is the roll rate that I always shoot for. Yeah, I think that looks good. They look pretty symmetrical. I changed the linkage on my elevator to give me a little more elevator authority, to have a little bit in reserve. So I've got to do a little bit of adjustment on my linkage. I had to put some trim in for the elevator, and I'd rather do that mechanically rather than have, you know, trim in the transmitter for the elevator. Still pretty quiet with those props. I was really disappointed with the second prop challenge that I had, which was I think they were DYS props. They were 3x3 2-blade props, but they were really blunt on the ends. I mean, those were really bullnose props, and those bullnose props typically create more drag at the tips of the prop than non-bullnose props. They're not as efficient as non-bullnose props. They produce a little bit more thrust, but you sacrifice power for that additional thrust. So I think I'm going to be able to find a set of props that I can use that's going to give me just as much power, you know, give me maybe not as much power, but give me unlimited vertical while still give me 6 to 7 minutes of flight time, using these little GNB 2S 350 milliamp hour LiPos that I think are 80C or 90C, at least labeled that way. So yeah, it still seems like it's very capable after a 4-minute flight here. But I'm curious. Yeah, I'm running down on power now. You can definitely feel it. Oh yeah, I'm completely out of power. All right, dang. All right, well, it looks like those props are not going to be efficient enough either. So scratch the third prop challenge. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.